Have you ever felt a shift in your mindset or behavior towards others? In the journey of self-awareness, understanding when you might be developing toxic traits is crucial. The first sign often manifests as a constant need for validation. If you find yourself seeking approval from others frequently, it might indicate an unhealthy reliance on their opinions to feel good about yourself. This dependency can slowly erode your self-esteem, making relationships burdensome rather than fulfilling. Another warning sign is the tendency to criticize others excessively. When you notice that your conversations are more about pointing out flaws than celebrating achievements, it's time to pause. This habit not only harms others' feelings, but also reflects your internal dissatisfaction. It creates an environment where positivity is overshadowed by negativity, affecting both you and those around you. Similarly, if you notice yourself frequently playing the victim, this can indicate a toxic pattern. This mindset shifts responsibility away from your actions and onto external circumstances, undermining your ability to grow. Acknowledging your role in various situations empowers you, while a victim mentality traps you in a cycle of blame and avoidance. Jealousy is another red flag. Feeling envious of others' successes or happiness can lead to bitterness, making relationships strained and enjoyable interactions laden with resentment. It's essential to celebrate others' achievements as a way to foster a more supportive community. Moreover, are you often dismissive of others' feelings or opinions? A lack of empathy points to a growing insensitivity that can create rifts in personal and professional relationships. Recognizing the value in diverse perspectives nurtures a collaborative atmosphere, while disregard can breed isolation. Another sign to watch for is an obsession with control. If you find yourself striving to control situations and people around you, it not only alienates others, but amplifies your own anxiety. Allowing room for spontaneity fosters deeper connections and mutual trust. Lastly, if your conversations frequently revolve around gossip, it's a strong indicator of toxicity. Gossiping can distract from your personal growth and create an unhealthy environment for others. Identifying and addressing these signs of toxicity in our behavior can pave the way for healthier relationships. Embracing vulnerability and openness leads to personal growth, allowing you to cultivate an environment of support and positivity.